In this video, we will show you how to add Google Analytics in WordPress website. In here, first you need to log in into your dashboard and you need to install some plugin like SEO plugins to place your Google Analytics code into the header of your website. For example, in here, I already installed the plugin using WordPress. In WordPress, we have menu with analytics, and we can enable later after we have the Google Analytics version 4 because Universal Analytics will stop working in 2023. So how to create Google Analytics version 4 in here? First, we need to browsing Google Analytics. Then we can click Google Analytics in here. Let's click Start Measuring. For easier to understand, you can give the name similar to your website. For example, I will put this website. Okay. And in here, the data sharing option give you more control over sharing your Google Analytics data. Okay, just tick all of this and click Next. And for property name, we can type our domain name, for example, in here. Okay, and then we can click Next. And in here, you will require to fill your industry category. For example, just select hobbies and leisure, for example, and using small size. And this is optimized with measure customer engagement. Then click create. In here, you need to accept the license agreement. Please tick this checkbox, and you can scroll down again. In here also there is checkbox. You need to read if you want, but if too much, you can just click accept in here. Google Analytics 4 is a little bit different with Universal Analytics. Okay. For email communication, you can just click save. Just click next. Just close this. And for the data streams, we won't just click web page in here. You can see there, if you return to admin home, you can see there is property settings. Okay, and you can select data streams to create Google Analytics. Just click web because we want to add into WordPress, and in here just put your URL. Okay, because there is existing HTTPS, just delete the other like this. Okay, this is our website name, and to identifying clearly, I put the extension of the domain name also. Click create stream. Okay, data collection isn't active for your website because we don't yet put this code into our website. You can see there in the WordPress settings on Analytics tab, you can see there is a requirement to enter our measurement ID. If you can see here, there is our measurement ID. Okay, we can copy this. Okay, just put here and click save change, and don't forget this must be ticked like this. We don't using Universal Analytics because we'll stop in the 2023. Okay, and click save change. How to verifying if our Google Analytics version 4 is already working, just reload your web page and you can view pictures, and you can control plus F button on your keyboard, or you can just click this and select find, and then just copy your measurement ID and paste in here. You can see there your Google Analytics has been placed on your uh, WordPress website using SEOpress plugin. You can using another plugin, not just SEOpress. You can using like use RankMate all-in-one SEO pack or another plugin that can put the code into the header. If you want to see the all code, if you don't have any SEO plugin, you can just view tag instructions here, because if we just add the code into the SEOpress settings on analytics, it's already have the script with JavaScript here. So we just add the code in here for measurement ID, and you can view tag instruction if you don't want to install using a plugin like SEOpress here. If you want to install manually and don't using SEO plugin, you can just copy this code manually. For example, if you have a theme include some field that can place the code into the header or the footer, you can place them manually. If you can see, this all code is the same with this. So using SEO just recommended for me. Okay, that's all tutorial how to add Google Analytics on WordPress. Hope this video helpful for you.